how to trade gold cards on Monopoly Go. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can trade gold cards on Monopoly Go. How do you go about this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Monopoly Go account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, the next thing for you to do is to locate where your gold cards are. And where are they located? In your album. So navigate through to your album, which is located by the lower right corner of the screen. You should just click on your album. Now, currently, I cannot open up my album because I have a requirement to meet, which is to reach 50 gem so I can unlock it. But for you, you'll be able to unlock your album. You just click on your album, unlock it, and then once it has been unlocked, you will see your stars at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Once you click on it, you would see all of the stars. Select the one that you want to trade, and then once you select it, you will see the option send to friends. All right, send to friends. Just click on it. Then you will have to select the friend you want to send it to. Click on the friend, and then the star will be sent directly to your friend. So once your friend comes on board, the person will be notified about the stars, and the person would accept it and then also send back to you as a response of receipt. So this is how you can trade gold stars on your Monopoly Go account. I'm sure this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.